What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be showing you how to add a new token to a Phantom wallet. So, in this case, you might be wondering, how do you add a new token to your Phantom wallet? Now, we first need to understand here how Phantom wallet actually works. So, first is first, let's go access our Phantom wallet. Let's go and click on our extension here for Phantom wallet. And as you can see, when you scroll down a bit here, there's going to be a few crypto that you could actually access here. So, when we go to the very bottom here, you have the managed token list. Now, in the managed token list here, you could disable a few networks here that you could actually not receive a token for. So in this case, the first thing you want to guarantee here is you need to enable the network that you want to receive your token. So as you can see, there's a few things that you could receive here, like Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin. So these are the networks that Phantom actually supports. Now, if you're going to transfer through a different token, like for example, if you want to transfer USDT here, you won't be able to do that because in this case, as you can see before, this are the network that Phantom Wallet actually supports. So if you want to, for example, transfer USDT, you need to convert that first to Solana, and you need to receive this via the receive option here in choosing your address. So for example, if you want to receive Solana, go ahead and choose Solana here, scan your QR code or copy your address here, and basically make the transfer. But once you receive your token, you could go to the option here that says the swap option, which in this case you could choose Solana here and choose the crypto that you want to receive. So if you want to receive USDC, USDT here, or any other token out there, you could go ahead and choose them. So for example, I want to get Mudeng here, and basically just enter the amount that you want to convert, and from then on you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.